Hello, Foundations friends. What's up? You doing okay today? All right. As you can tell, it's cold here today, so I've got my coat on and I'm trying to stay cozy. And I've got a joke for you. Would you like to hear it? All right, cool. Here we go. What is the longest word in the dictionary? Smiles, because there's a mile between the S's. Listen, smile, smiles. All right, cool. Now that we got our laugh on, we're ready to do some glued sounds with our warm up. Repeat after me. INK, pink ink. UNK, junk unk. ONK, honk onk. ANK, bank ank. ONG, song ong. UNG, lung ung. ING, ring ing. ANG, fang ang. And let's move on over here to our standard cards. A, apple, a. E, ed, e. J, j. QU, queen, qua. And what do we call the QU? That's right, it's our buddy letter. W, wind, w. And over here, let's do a few glute sounds. ANG, fang, ang. INK, pink ink. UNG, lung ung. UNK, junk unk. And I'm going to bring over the vowels so we can sing them together. Here we go. Do it with me. A, apple, a. E, ed, eh. I, itch, eh. O, octopus, U, up, Nice work. And so we are going to look at a bunch of words and read them and play Find That Word. So take a look. Let's go ahead and start by reading them as quickly as we can, okay? Try to stay with me. If it has a suffix, we're going to read the base word first and then the whole word. Here we go. Tell, tells. Jack, yank, fang, mess, pack, packs, pink, miss, dunk. If it was really hard for you to keep up with me, I want you to do them again. If you are still at this stage where you're tapping them out, if you need to say Jack, Jack, that's okay. So everybody now do it on your own. Okay, nice reading. So I want you to find me which words have a base word and a suffix. Tell me. How many are there? Two of them. Tells and packs has a base word and a suffix. Good job. Which words have ng glued sounds? Yeah, there's only one. What is it? Fang. There's the ng. Which words have nk glued sounds? Yank, pink, dunk. Good. And which words have bonus letters? Tell, tells, mess, and miss. Very good. And last question, which words have digraphs? Jack and Pax. It's especially important that when you're doing a word that has CK and S, that you do the base word first so you don't forget the CK. Awesome. Awesome job, guys. All right, you need to take out your tile boards, so your boards that look like this but have the Velcro on it. And once it's out, we're going to start with some sounds and then we'll do some words. Okay, repeat after me. Ang. What says ang? Point to the letters that say ang. What are they? A-N-G. Say ing. Point to the letters that say ing. What are they? I-N-G. Say unk. Point to the letters that say unk. What are they? U-N-K. Good. Okay. Now let's turn those letters into words. Repeat after me. Dunk. I want to have a slam dunk in the basketball hoop. Let's tap out dunk. D, unk. D, d. Sounds like the drum. So is it going to be a B or a D? What do you think? D, 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 d. The drum comes first. Yep. So go ahead and build dunk. Unk. And then whenever we build it, we should always tap and check. Dunk. Dunk. Looks like dunk to me. Does yours look like dunk? Great. Let's spell it away. D-U-N-K. Okay. Here's your next word. Sing. Let's tap it out. S-ing. Spell it and build it. I-ing. So it has to be one that starts with an I, and then listen to the end. Sing. And then tap out what you built. And check it to mine. Sing. Okay, and let's spell it away. S-I-N-G. Good work. How about the word pong, like playing ping pong? Pong. Let's tap it out. Ong. And when you're ready, take it to mine. All right, let's spell it away. P-O-N-G. And let's do one more. Let's do wink. Let's tap it out. W-ink. Wink. Tap out what you wrote, what you built, and then check it to mine once you feel like you're right. All right, let's spell it away. W-I-N-K. You're doing great. Look at all the letters and sounds we've learned and that you can build with. It's pretty amazing. So make sure your board looks just like mine. It's nice and neat. And then we're going to switch it over to do some work on paper. Okay, so go ahead and grab your paper. And when you're ready, we'll do a sound. Okay, up on number 1 with sounds, let's do onk. Write the letters that say onk. Check it to mine when you're ready. Onk is O-N-K. Don't forget, you can always look in your student notebook if you're stuck. Okay, number 2, ong. Like, listen to that beautiful song. Ong. All right, check it to mine. Ong. Okay, and the last one, aink. Aink. And when you're ready, you can check it to mine. A-N-K. Onk, ong, aink. Okay, let's do 2 words right here. The first word I want you to do is chills. I've got the chills. Do you hear a suffix? So what's the base word? Chill. Let's tap out chill. Ch, I, O. L at the end. Ding, ding, ding. Bonus letter. Write chill and then make it say chills. When you're ready, you have a lot of marking to do. I want you to star the bonus letter. If you don't have one, you better put one there. Underline the digraph. And then underline the base word, circle the suffix, and check it all to mine. Chill, chills. Okay, and number 2, let's do the word packs. She packs her bags to go on a trip. Is there a suffix? What's the base word? Pack. Let's tap out pack. P-A-K. Ding, 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 k at the end. Right, pack, and then make it say packs. Underline the base word, circle the suffix, and underline the digraph. If you don't have one, hint, hint, you should get it in there. And then check it to mine. Let's read the words. Chills, packs. Fix up anything that needs fixing. And let's do 2 current words. Current is what we're working on over here with the NK sounds. So for the first one, let's do the word mink. A mink coat. Let's tap out mink. Ink. Mink. And then box in your glued sound. Mink. And let's go on to number 2. Let's do rank. I'm going to rank my favorite candies. Tap out rank with me. Ink. That means like put them in order from how much I like them. Rank. Ink. And then box in that glued sound. Take your time, pause if you want more time, and then check them to mine when you're ready. Let's read it all together. Here we go. Chill, chills. Pack, packs. Mink, rank. And now for 2 trick words. Okay, the first one I want you to do is where. Where is the snow? Where? And I want you to do who. Who said I'm not funny? Was it you? Where and who. Look in the trick word part of your notebook if you're not sure. And when you're ready, check them with mine. Where and who. Okay, and we're going to come down here and end with our sentence today. Repeat after me. Thank Jack for the gum. Let's count it out. Thank Jack for the gum. 5 words. I'll draw the lines. You can draw them or you don't have to. Thank. That's a word you can tap out. Jack. You can tap that out. For. That's a trick word. The. That's a trick word. Gum. You can tap out. Make sure you start with an uppercase and end with a stop sign. Pause here and do your sentence. Okay, you're back. Check that you did uppercase and an end mark. Fix it now. Do it. Okay, next check your 2 trick words. For and the. No reason you get them wrong. They're in your notebook. Okay, they should look like that. Okay, now we need to tap the words. So tap think and make sure it's right. Watch me check my own. Think. Wait a second, that says think. It was supposed to say think. That's why we check our own work, so we could find mistakes. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it into an A. Thank Jack. It's a person's name. So did you do an uppercase? Awesome. Does that look right to you? Oh, look, when it ends with K right after a vowel, it's CK. All right, so we have thank Jack for the gum. G-M. Make sure you did it the right way and that your G touches all the way down to the worm line. And there we go. Now we need to read it smoothly. Thank Jack for the gum. Thank Jack for the gum. Scoop it and read it. Awesome job today, my friends. You can close this up and put it in a spot, maybe in your backpack or wherever you keep it so that you can always find it when you need it. And I'll see you next time. Keep it up.